Hey guys, welcome to my video. I'm just going to run you guys through some how to check for fault codes on a Volvo FE truck. Now I believe this works for FL as well, and yeah, most Volvo range trucks, but this is a 2007 and yeah, it's pretty similar right the way up. So basically, first of all, we got some switches. So if I just move this camera over, you got your steering wheel. Just down the right, you got these buttons here. Now, some are on a straight stalk, some are on this device, but in this case, this is what we got. So, right, basically 4 buttons. The middle is the enter, up, down, and escape is obviously your return button. Very, very simple. Anyone can pretty much figure it out. So, if I just come down here now, so my ignition is on, and all I got to do is press the enter button. That will take us oh god that will take us into the main menu. So what we do now is we just scroll down, and then when we get to the bottom, we literally just keep going down. So I press down again, down again, down again, until we jump to a new screen. So by here, obviously, diagnostics, straight into there, fault diagnostics, enter again, and then we can pick whatever system we want to go into. So for example, I'm going to go into engine, so we're going to engine, and this is our fault. So what I'm going to do now is, obviously, I'm just going to scroll through the fault codes. Obviously these are stored fault codes, nothing really to worry about, as they all say inactive. If they said active, that would be the reason why your engine fault is on. So for example, if I go back, I'll go down. If I go back to this one now, if I go where it says inactive, but there, if that was to say active, that means the fault is active right now, and that would be the reason why your engine management light or whatever is on. Obviously this truck has no engine management light. It has a lot of stored codes, but none of them are actually anything to worry about. So all I'm going to do now is I'm going to scroll all the way to the bottom, and when I get to the bottom, this screen's going to come up. Now this screen basically means I've gone through all the codes, and it's asking me if I want to reset the codes. So it says, quite simply, hold enter for 1 second to reset. So you hold the middle button. There we go. Now it asks for a code. Our lorries all say 0, so you just keep hitting the enter button. Enter, enter, enter. Operation complete. So if I hit the escape button now and go back, no fault codes, escape, back to engine. I'll go back into engine just to check it. No fault codes. So now, for example, if you had a fault code that's intermittent, you could clear the fault codes, run it down the road. If any faults come back, you know that's the reason why your engine management light is coming on. Simple way of checking it, guys. I'll try and do some more videos on some more useful things you can do, obviously on the on-screen, on the display. But that's it for now. Thank you.